welcome to a new video. Today, I'll teach you how to get a sun hat, and this is supposed to be part 2 of the Dream Core update. Anyway, let's get in the video. And you, monkey, visitor. Always remember, call me out for VR. Don't call me my real name, okay?
Alright, Alpha Leo, let's go.
And I will just call you Super since your name. Oh crap. I'm scared now, bro. Bro, this
I put my
game
name as
mode is
Super
so hard.
because they call me the king. I'm scared Baboon.
How do you actually get that shirt? How do you get that shirt anyway? I forgot.
This one?
Yeah.
It used to be in the shop, but it didn't. Got it. I don't know why they just deleted this stuff.
And anyway, if you forgot, this is Dream Core Part 2 of exploring the
Do you
place.
remember the way?
What?
Do you remember the way?
Yeah, I do. Just go in the wall just in case. Go in the wall just in case. I'm scared of the back rooms, but I love it. But scared. But love it. No, I'm scared. Yeah, I think I just said that 10 times.
Where's that?
Oh, I'm right here. Okay. First step is you want to go in the bathrooms and follow us the way we're going. Oh God, go! And you want to follow the way we're going. Nah, bro, this is not even Dream Core anymore. This is the back rooms. And rib off.
This is backwards core.
This is backrooms core, not Dream Core or Weird Core. And I do love Weird Core. I actually love Weird Core and Dream Core. But I like Dream Core more. And now, when you have to go, you have to find switch play. That's step 2. Now, step 3, do this parkour.
Instead of going to zero, let's do this.
Wait, you can't say my real name, bro.
What? I'm sorry.
Uh-oh. Oh God! I saw the eye monster. Yeah, I'm not going that way. Wait, where are you? Okay, tell me when to go. Yep, I'm only touching grass, so yep, it's coming back. Look at him doing. Go! Oh, I thought you was capping, bro. I'm scared if the monster's gonna come when you're away. Please don't go. Go! I'm scared. What?
It's Leon. If we die, we have to wait.
I don't know why, but viewers, just pretend you didn't hear who named it as well. I edited it out.
It keeps giving me a confused a little bit.
Go. No, don't go yet. Don't go yet. Go. No. Oh God. That almost killed me. Oh wait.
Guys,
Step 4 and 5. You want to go down there. 3, 2, 1, go. You want to jump down here. You want to climb this. And all those noises. You can climb or just climb this wall. And you're in this area. And when you're in this area, you can just read out more. You want to go through this portal. And you might spawn here. And when you spawn here, you want to go back to here. And you have it. Yep, this is like one only cosmetics I have. I only have that and that. Gonna play the game.
yeah, this is me before without the hat. This is me without the hat. This is me now.
Oh,
I
cool.
got the VIP mask. I got the VIP mask. Hi.
Wait, show me what it looks like. how you get it.
This,
Yeah, how to get that map.
you gotta beat Squid Game.
How you beat Squid Game, bro?
Bro, I know.
Anyway, we're gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. See ya tomorrow's video with a new upcoming video called I Played Big Scary with this dude. It's the same guy.
Again.
Anyway, see ya.